It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 17th of November. I'm Michael Groff. It's actually starting to feel like fall in the valley, finally, with temperatures getting down to the coldest values we've seen so far this season. Now, we do have a nice weekend ahead, but then a significant rain event looking more and more likely by about Monday. So a lot to talk about as we look out there this morning. We see some blowing dust on the cam looking towards South Mountain. This is not a big dust storm, but certainly some reduced visibilities around 7 or 8 miles right now. Temperature at 5 a.m. at Sky Harbor, 62 degrees, dew point 32, relative humidity 32%. The winds are from the west at 14 miles per hour and the barometer 29.77 and rising rapidly. Temperatures across the area this morning, there is some missing data out there, but the numbers we do have show readings in the low 50s to low 60s. Nothing in the way of cloud cover across southern Arizona this morning. There are a few clouds, maybe an isolated rain or snow shower in northern Arizona near the Utah border. And the watch warning map lit up like crazy across the country. Blizzard warnings in western Minnesota, eastern South Dakota. They're expecting nearly a foot of snow up there. Otherwise, winter weather advisories and various winter storm products from northern Minnesota back through the northern Rockies. Meanwhile, in the southwest states, Southern California through eastern New Mexico, we have various wind advisories, high wind watches and warnings, and red flag advisories for fire danger concerns. Some dense fog advisories along the Texas Gulf Coast, and in the Carolinas, some pollution problems too out in the southeast states because of wildfires burning in the southern Appalachians, another symptom of the significant drought they have out that way. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe weather today in North Texas from around Fort Worth toward Irving up toward Tulsa, Oklahoma today. Otherwise, just some thunder possible in northeast Colorado heading towards southern Minnesota. And all the juicy details with our weather. Let's get into those right now as we take a look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. There's that big cold upper trough. It has moved on through our area to be heading out into the plains by late this afternoon and tonight. And so cool northwesterly flow behind it over us today. The sky will be mostly sunny, and there will be a little bit of blowing dust, as you've seen this morning, a little haze in the air. But otherwise, the sky will be mostly sunny. And temperatures this afternoon will struggle to make the 70-degree mark. Again, the breeze is westerly, 10 to 20 miles per hour this morning. They'll be slacking off by this afternoon and tonight. And then overnight tonight and tomorrow morning when you wake up, some of the coldest temperatures, in fact, the coldest temperatures we've seen so far this season, getting down into the 40s for just about everybody here in the metro tonight. And then tomorrow, another perfect day. Sunny skies and a little bit of a breeze possible during the day, and highs getting into the low and middle 70s. Saturday looks really nice too. We start out the day mid-40s to low 50s, highs climbing up to about 80, maybe even the low 80s. But then big changes start to come in for our weather by Sunday as a deepening trough off the Southern California coast starts to advect copious amounts of subtropical moisture north into Southern California and southern Arizona. So mid and high-level clouds will be on the increase, a mostly cloudy day. High temperatures climbing into the low 80s. A few showers possible in Southern California and southwest Arizona by late Sunday. I think we stay dry here in the valley, but slight chances of rain will have to be introduced by Sunday night. Then on Monday, all of the deterministic model runs of late, the last few GFS, European, and Canadian model runs are all suggesting that this is going to be a significant rainmaker on Monday. So we have strong diffluent flow that develops Monday, especially Monday afternoon across western Arizona. This is showing a bit of a slower transition across the state for this system, which would imply even more precipitation will come from this storm. So much of Monday will be a cool, rainy day, and with that diffluent flow, very efficient at wringing out the atmosphere. And boy, will there be a lot of moisture in the air. The precipitable water value is almost off the chart for mid to late November. Values approaching 1.4 inches over southern Arizona by Monday afternoon. These are levels that we would see normally during the monsoon. This is crazy for this time of year. So a 60% chance of rain in the forecast is what I'm going to go with. I don't want to go too crazy on precip chances again because we've just been so dry for so long. It's going to be very hard to go hog wild on precipitation chances. Nonetheless, That's what we're looking at. High temperatures climbing only into the upper 60s on Monday. Tuesday, this is suggesting that we'll still have some precipitation over southern Arizona, even by the afternoon. I don't think so. I think we dry out pretty quickly. Still, just as a nod to that, a very slight chance of showers Tuesday morning around here we'll go with, and a high temperature in the low 70s. How much rain are we going to get out of this? I don't know if this is going to be exactly what we have, but this is the trend the models are going in, is showing a wetter and wetter system. This is, again, off the latest GFS, the 06Z, and it's implying 1 3/4 inches of rain here for much of the valley, with 2 to 3 inch amounts of rain up toward Payson and along the rim. A few spots in northeast Maricopa County, Gila County. Again, I don't know if we're going to get that much rain out of this, but it is looking like a very impressive, widespread, moderate to locally heavy rain event for sure here in the valley. On Wednesday, the busiest travel day of the year. And it'll be dry here in the valley. We'll have mostly sunny skies, high temperatures in the low to mid 70s. So no travel problems here. But you see another trough approaching us from the northwest. Rain and snow in the Sierra and across northern Nevada, Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. And this is a week from today, Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, November the 24th. And there's another low approaching northwest Arizona, so this would help to cool us off once again. We'd have clouds on the increase. There may be a few showers in northwest Arizona. I think we stay dry, and high temperatures in the low 70s. Look at this. 71 is what the latest GFS is going with for Thursday of next week, Thanksgiving Day. So a perfect day to go outside, have a barbecue, have dinner out. Sounds absolutely wonderful. All right, this is Black Friday, November the 25th. This is a dry look for us. Looks like temperatures would be fairly seasonal in about the low 70s, the sky mostly sunny. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, November 26th. This still looks pretty dry with near seasonal temperatures, upper 60s to low 70s for our highs. And temperatures off the European. Let's take a look at these through the forecast period. And again, we're cooler today and lows in the mid 40s for tomorrow morning. Boy. Chilly start to the day. But then low 80s for the weekend, much cooler by next week. And then by month's end, boy, we really cool it off with lows getting down to the low to mid 40s and highs only in the mid 60s. Not sure if we get that cool, but that would be a strong trend that has been demonstrated by the models over the last few days. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video by tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching and have a great Thursday.